Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to show you how to turn your iPad into a clock. Basically, we are talking about setting up your iPad to the display time on the entire screen, like a wall or a desk clock. First, you'll probably need a third-party app. Apple does not have a widget that covers the whole screen. There are several apps available, for example, which works in both portrait and landscape mode and shows the time with the seconds. Search the App Store for other clock apps. Just go ahead and type in clock iPad, and you will see many different options to install. You might also check out D-Clock, Digital Flip Clock, or similar apps. These usually have a full screen mode where you can stay inside the app and get a nice interface. Keep in mind that the ads might appear unless you pay for the pro version, depending on the app. So next, you need to prevent your iPad screen from going black. So for that, go ahead, open your settings, and then go to display and brightness. You'll find it below the control center. Here again, scroll down and tap on auto lock feature. Now set it to never or 15 minutes. I wish there were more options like 30 minutes, but never will keep the screen on. And remember that keeping the screen on constantly will drain the battery, so you'll likely need to keep your iPad plugged in. So those are the steps to turn your iPad into a clock. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.